The Department of Telecommunications issued directions that the Sanchar Sathi app be pre-installed on all phones manufactured or imported for use in India. The order issued on November 28, 2025 requires the app to be clearly visible and easy to use during the initial setup of any new handset. Manufacturers are not allowed to hide, disable or restrict any of its features.
इसके आधार पर ना कोई स्नूपिंग है, ना कोई कॉल मॉनिटरिंग है। अगर आप चाहते हो तो इसको आप एक्टिवेट करो, अगर आप नहीं चाहते तो इसे एक्टिवेट मत करो। सुनिए ना, अगर आप इसको अपने फोन पे रखना चाहते हो तो रखो, अगर आप इसको डिलीट करना चाहते हो तो डिलीट करो।
But what is Sanchar Sathi? Let's tell you. Sanchar Sathi, a portal set up in May 2023, is a citizen-centric initiative designed to combat cyber fraud and strengthen telecom security. Through its portal and app, users can check whether a mobile handset is genuine using its IMEI number, report suspected fraud calls or messages. Even users can report an international call with an Indian number, and it does not require OTP verification on the phone. Users can also report lost or stolen phones, see all mobile connections issued in their name, access trusted contact details for banks and financial institutions. Under the initiative, more than 42.14 lakh mobiles have been blocked and over 26.11 lakh lost or stolen mobile handsets have been traced according to the Sanchar Sathi website. Over 288 lakh requests have been received from persons wanting to get information regarding mobile connections registered in their names. Of these, over 254 lakh requests have been resolved. The initiative is backed by telecom cyber security rules, which empower the government to issue IMEI related compliance directions to manufacturers. But why this matters? The Department of Telecom has warned that duplicate or spoofed IMEIs pose a serious security risk, including cases where the same identifier appears on multiple devices at the same time. India's large second-hand mobile market has also seen cases of stolen or blacklisted handsets being resold unintentionally, involving buyers in criminal activity. Sanchar Sathi helps users check whether an IMEI is blocked or blacklisted before buying a phone. Tampering with telecom identifiers, including the 15-digit IMEI number of mobile phones, are non-bailable offences and can lead up to imprisonment of up to 3 years, fines up to Rs 50 lakh or both under the Telecommunications Act 2023, the order stated. Well, the directive applies to all major mobile phone makers, including Apple, Samsung, Google, Vivo, Oppo and Xiaomi, most of whom already manufacture their devices in India. Well, the Sanchar Sathi app is also available for download on the Play Store and Apple App Store. Hope you found this video informative, and for more such content, keep watching NDTV.